Hey there guys, welcome to another part of my computer build video. Really excited today. You guys can probably see my reflection in here. I'm gonna be all like uppity. My GeForce GTX Titan has arrived. It's the EVGA base model one. I went with this one because the card hardware and everything is exactly the same no matter which brand you get. So I got this one. It's the cheapest one on the market right now, and I got it for even cheaper than the MSRP of $999.99. So I'm pretty stoked. Hopefully, my plan is to get a second one in the future. Future is probably 4 months, maybe tops. Probably more like 2 months. I'll do another video on that when I install it and everything. I also got my case in today. I'm going to be doing another video on that later, so keep an eye out for that one. I haven't even taken the plastic off this thing to take a look, so I'll just go around the box quick. On the front, there's really nothing. As you guys can see, it's just the EVGA logo and the brand, the model name. On the side here, again, let me refocus it for you guys. They basically just talk about the graphics card requirements. So they're saying you need at least a 600 watt or greater power supply with a minimum of 42 amps on the 12 volt rail. That's actually pretty important right there. That's basically probably more important than the 600 watt part. The 42 amps is going to be what your limiting factor on this card is, in all likelihood. Then they talk about how you need PCI-express, PCI-express 2.0, or PCI-express 3.0 on your motherboard, and then you need one 8-pin PCI-express power connector, or 2 available 6-pin PCI-express power connectors, and one 6-pin PCI-express power connector, or 2 available hard disk power connectors. Blah blah blah. Okay, power connectors. Yeah. So it'll take one 8-pin and one 6-pin, I believe. And then you need Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP. And then they basically tell you about the requirement based on a PC configured with an Intel Core i7 3.2 GHz processor. Alright, cool, I got that down. Definitely. Anyway, on the back, what do we got on the back? Focus it. Let me just focus it up for you perfectly as best I can. Key features: NVIDIA TXAA technology, GPU Boost 2.0, PhysX technology, FXAA technology, adaptive vertical sync, NVIDIA Surround, support for 4 concurrent displays. That means you can do 3 off of DVI or HDMI, I believe, or DisplayPort, I think, and then you can do a 4th one off of, or you can connect a 4th one as your accessory display. You can do 3 in NVIDIA Surround mode, which lets you do 3 monitor, triple monitor gaming, which is my plan. And then it's got DirectX 11.1, NVIDIA 3D Vision, NVIDIA SLI Ready, NVIDIA CUDA technology, PCI-express 3.0 support, OpenGL 4.3 support, OpenCL support, package contents: EVGA GeForce GTX Titan graphics card, EVGA driver software disk, irrelevant, I already have the latest installed in the system, 1 DVI to VGA adapter for DVI-I, 1 6-pin PCI-express power adapter, 1 8-pin PCI-express power adapter, user guide, EVGA accessory pack. Cool. And that says the support for HDMI includes GPU accelerated Blu-ray support. Blu-ray 3D playback requires the purchase of a compatible software player from Cyberlink, ArcSoft, Corel, or Sonic. And then they basically just list the name of those softwares. So if you want to watch Blu-rays with hardware acceleration and whatnot off through Blu-ray HDMI, then yeah, stuff and things. You can see the card cutout there with the serial numbers for your warranty and stuff. On this side, you've got the EVGA is number one seller in the US of NVIDIA-based products. Number 1 Excellence Awards 2012 for graphics cards. Excellence Awards 2012 for motherboards. So that's just some awards of theirs. That's it. On the bottom, you've got just some additional language stuff. I believe that's the key features. Yeah, just on the bottom there. Sorry. And on the top, there's just the branding. So let's open it up. How do I want to do this? Okay, so there goes the plastic. You guys can see the nice matte box now without my reflection, and that looks pretty awesome. Bam, there's the video thumbnail right there. So yeah, now let's actually open up the box. Come over here with my razor. Just open that guy. Don't need the razor anymore, I don't think. So we'll open this up. I want to open it the right way. Okay. So we got that. I believe this is poster. First thing on the top here, yeah, it's a big poster here. Sorry, I don't really have the frame here to show you guys the whole thing, but it's the EVGA Game of Pwns poster. Anyway, so that's that. Then you got the graphics card user guide, the driver CD, the powered by EVGA badge. That's a cool badge. I'm gonna show you guys that. Here. That's actually a cool badge. One of the few cool badges I've seen. Let me zoom in on it and focus. Look at that. That's a cool looking badge. I might actually have to find somewhere to stick that on my case. Probably not though, because I don't like case badges. Anyway, maybe I'll put it on my car. Powered by EVGA Titan. Anyway, so then you got the attention, graphics card cool, blah blah blah. Important notice, this is cutting edge, blah blah blah, including full UEFI BIOS. Okay, neat stuff. So motherboard BIOS update might be needed. Okay, whatever. Then we got the EVGA GTX Titan Quick Start Guide. So this is basically going to say, plug in the graphics card. Plug in the power to the graphics card. Start your computer. Install the drivers. Got some stickers here, the EVGA Enthusiast built and the other EVGA Enthusiast built. So they're just variations of the same thing. Then there's the, like I said, the user guide itself. This is, I guess, more in-depth one or something. And now the part you're probably here for, which is the actual unboxing. So let me just reposition this tripod so you can actually see a decent angle. There we go. So I'm going to open this up like that. Well, actually first, forget what you just saw. There's accessories. So this is, ooh, it's a braided, individually sleeved. This is the two 6-pin to single 8-pin power adapter. This is the DVI to VGA adapter. I don't even know why they're still including those in a graphics card of this caliber. This is the LP4 Molex to 6-pin adapter, and that's it. That's all the accessories. And I won't need any of these. So I'm just gonna like put them back. That's kind of how they were in there, right? Right, okay. Now, bam. Open this up. Got the EVGA logo cut out in there. Just for some fancy smashiness. And here we go. If I can get this thing out of here. Bam. Put the styrofoam aside. And there it is. In its static-free bag. Which I'm immediately going to remove from its static-free bag so you guys can see it better. Oh, it even feels nice. So there we have it. EVGA GTX Titan. Such a nice graphics card. I'll just put it on the desk there and focus on it for you guys. So there you have it. You guys can see the awesome like aluminum finish on it, the really like industrial design. Titan just written on here. This looks exactly like the new 700 series, the 780, 770s, but it is even faster than a 780 by about 5%. Is it worth the extra price for that 5% increase? I can't even justify it to myself, so probably not, but this is just the best card on the market right now for single GPU, fastest card out there, and it's just awesome. I'm a huge fan of NVIDIA, and this design just looks sick. On the top, you can see the GeForce GTX logo, and this actually lights up, I believe. And then there's the 8-pin connector, the 6-pin connector. There you go, focused. 8-pin, 6-pin. You can see all the like VRAM and stuff on the back here, because this thing has 6 gigabytes of VRAM. And yeah, I'm gonna like turn off my system right now, right behind here, and plug it in. And I'll actually, here, let me just aim this at the screen for a second and refocus to the screen. Yeah, I'm kind of prepping for this NVIDIA eccentric build, and let me just jump onto GPU-Z, and I'm going to show you guys this quickly. Hopefully you guys can see this. Let me just move this a little bit more. Okay, so you can see the bus interface is currently 1.1. It's actually 2.0. You can see it just changed there. This is my GTX 470 from my old rig that you can see. So when I plug this in, hopefully, and according to everything motherboard spec-wise and everything, we should be seeing 3.0 spec. So I just got to do a quick restart here. Actually, while it's rebooting, I'm just going to take you guys off the tripod for a moment and show you the Titan itself. So you guys can see it's installed in the system here, and that does actually light up. It's kind of hard to tell right now just because of the thing. So you can see the Corsair H100i I have behind it is also lit up. I'll shut the lights off in a bit and get some dark shots of it, but yeah, it looks awesome. Anyway, Windows is loaded, has been actually for a while because of those SSDs I got on there. Resolution's back to normal too, so there we go, Steam can go away for now. As you can see, I did get pci-express 3.0 working on my GPU. You can actually see here, if I hover over this, the graphics card reports that it supports pci-express x16 3.0, and it is currently running at pci-express x16 3.0. So, there we go.